Hey everyone, so we just finished Scratch Game Jam. We played some really cool games again. The theme this time was The Unknown. In this video, I picked 3 games for you to check out. Let's dive in together. And by the way, the registration for the Scratch Game Jam number 10 has already started. You can find the link down below in the description. First up, it's an RPG. Build such a complex system using Scratch and easy. The creator really shows some serious dedication to creating better RPGs on Scratch. In this game, he added a real-time command input into the turn-based combat system, which really raised up the playability and fun. Definitely worth checking out. In this game, you will take control of a submarine and diving underwater. Your mission is to avoid or defeat enemies along the way and go as deep as you can. The idea of the game and the theme of this jam are a perfect match. This game is the complete opposite of the last one. Here, you gotta control your character and keep climbing upward. Each floor has its own unique mechanism and levels to explore. Trust me, there are some really interesting designs in this game. The links to these games are all in the description, so make sure to check them out. There are also plenty of other games that are totally worth trying. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you all come up with in the future Scratch Game Jams. So don't forget to join the Scratch Game Jam number 10. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, see you next time.